Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and press the bell button so you can get the other videos. Today's video is a very quick video. It's all about, I am going to talk about mail. Here is my mail right now. When it comes to from our mailbox, I don't know if I could show you. It's you probably won't be able to see outside. We have like where we live here, it's 8 houses have the same mailbox. So when we bring the mail in, all goes into the laundry room right now. You can see, and it just goes right above the dryer and sits there for like no reason. Our bills, coupon, the time, even the kids stuff goes in there. The coupon, when we need it, we can never find it. So today I thought I'm gonna do a quick video so it won't be here anymore and if my drawer will look clean. So what I am going to do, this is the laundry door, and right before the laundry door there is a room right here, and I'm gonna use this place to attach the mail sorter I bought. I bought this mail sorter from Hobby Lobby a while ago. Here is like, it was on sale for some $20, although it says $50, but I didn't pay that. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill it, and using my drill or hammer and nails. So I will put in right here, and then I'm gonna sort it into 3 categories. So then you would not see a mess lying around on my dryer like this and giving me anxiety. My husband used anchors so they can hold it better on the wall. So we're going to organize it in 3 piles. One will be just bills, and one will be just bills, and one will be coupon, and then other one will be to-do list, the more important paper, which are not bills but have to work on them. Okay, so I divided them in 3. First, I should show you that the laundry room looks pretty clean now because I organized those paper in 3 piles. Bills, and those are all the bills we have to pay. So when we will bring the mail, my husband normally bring the mail, he will put it, and then I will process them. These will be to do, which is not bills but have to work on them, and those are coupon. Eventually, I am not going to the stores right now, but eventually I'm gonna place files inside of them. So when I go upstairs into my office, I grab the file as opposed to individual things and then file them after I pay the bills. Most of the bills I am doing now just online, like statements, paperless. So do this, please do paperless statement, which would save you a lot of shredding and everything. And so that's just a little tip, but see, it does save tons of time to everybody. Okay, here is now, it looks like that corner you saw before wasn't looking that pretty. So here is how it looks now. I hope you can see it. Upstairs we changed the nightstand, so I brought this one down. I have painted this, and I will link the link below where I have this nightstand, had this nightstand before, but we can use it downstairs now as I bought new one for upstairs. So I use the labels from Dollar Tree, and I just being lazy and put pen, just wrote it with hands, to do, and the coupon. And as I said, I will place files, which will be much more easier. Hope you like it, and if you think I'm adding values, please give me a thumbs up, and let me know what kinds of video would you like to see, or would you want me to do it. Thank you so much for being part of my community.